The 60-second driver.
Police officers, emergency responders, and tow truck drivers are often put at risk when they're stopped at the side of the road.
When police or emergency responders are at the scene of a collision or pulling someone over for a traffic offense, they may not see vehicles coming. Passing vehicles must slow down. If the speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour or higher, you must slow down to at least 60 kilometers per hour. If the speed limit is under 80 kilometers per hour, you must slow down to at least 40 kilometers per hour. On a multi-lane road, you must change lanes if it's safe to do so. Watch where you're going at all times and only stop if you need to. Pay attention to the road, weather, and traffic conditions.
We can keep emergency responders safe and help them while they help others.
Brought to you by Manitoba Public Insurance and CTV.